This is from Jason's mom and stepdad. But they live the whole way down by Washington.
They live some distance.
Pretty, what is it?
What the heck?
What is it?
An octopus thingy-majigger.
Good, because we didn't know what it was.
Octopus alien.
What, did you get the luxury of wrapping it?
What's that?
Did you have the luxury of wrapping it?
Yeah.
Tell you what, newspapers really do pretty good, don't they?
Oh, that's shrimp.
Here, show me the show me the what's. There you go, Mom and Jim. You're in the paper.
What was it?
That was Jessica's bright idea.
It was funny. When I was tired. Does anybody know what Molly really wanted for her birthday?
What? Oh my god, I want
Are they
that.
dumb
Oh,
balls?
I wanted that so badly.
Oh, it is a
What is it?
Molly.
I wanted that so bad.
I really think she contained her excitement.
Here, Molly. Here, hold it up so I can get a picture of it.
They got it. Thank you, Barbara Jam. It's like gravity.
By Thanksgiving, she will be buying